Your kidney is overloaded. These foods help repair it. You won't believe how much your kidneys are silently struggling every day. And I know because I've been there myself. I used to feel constantly tired, bloated, and just off, not realizing that my kidneys were overloaded from the foods I was eating. But after making some simple changes, I started noticing real, life-changing improvements in my energy, digestion, and overall health. Everything I'm sharing in this video has been carefully fact-checked by health researchers, so you know it's reliable, safe, and backed by science. I'm going to walk you through specific foods that don't just taste good. They actively help repair and support your kidneys. These aren't just tips I read online. These are strategies that worked for me, and I've seen the difference firsthand. And stick around, because near the end of this video, I'll share one simple, almost surprising tip that supercharged my kidney health. Something most people completely overlook, but it can make a huge difference if you start doing it today. You're going to want to see this. Number 1. Carrots. Now let's talk about carrots. You might be thinking, carrots? Aren't they just for eyesight? Well, yes, they do help your eyes, but they are so much more than that, especially for your kidneys. Carrots are packed with antioxidants and nutrients that gently support kidney function. They're rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. This is important because vitamin A plays a role in reducing inflammation in the body. And when it comes to your kidneys, reducing inflammation can really make a difference in how well they function. One of the beautiful things about carrots is how versatile they are. You can eat them raw as a snack, dip them in hummus, or add them to your salads for that satisfying crunch. Cooking them lightly, like steaming or roasting, actually makes some of the nutrients easier for your body to absorb. And don't worry about overdoing it. Carrots are low in potassium compared to some other vegetables, so they're gentle on your kidneys, especially if you're mindful of your intake. But here's something that's often overlooked: the fiber in carrots. Fiber helps with digestion and can indirectly help your kidneys by reducing the workload on them. When your body is efficiently processing what you eat, your kidneys don't have to work as hard to filter out waste. So adding a good serving of carrots daily can make a subtle but real difference over time. I also love how carrots have natural sweetness without added sugar. For those of us trying to reduce sugar and protect our kidneys, this is a little win every day. You can even get creative. Try carrot sticks with a light yogurt dip, blend them into a smoothie, or roast them with a touch of olive oil and herbs. It's simple, but it nourishes your body in ways that matter. And here's a little motivational tip. Consistency beats perfection. You don't have to eat a huge bowl every day. Even a small serving regularly can start supporting your kidney health. Think of it as a tiny, powerful step toward giving your kidneys the care they need. Carrots aren't a miracle cure, but when you combine them with other kidney-friendly foods and healthy habits, they become part of a strong foundation for long-term health. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't pass by the carrots. Grab a bunch, and remember, this simple, humble vegetable is quietly helping your kidneys stay healthier, one bite at a time. Number 2. Kale. Let's talk about kale. Now I know some people hear kale and immediately think of bitter, tough leaves, but trust me, when it comes to your kidneys, kale is a superstar. Kale is loaded with vitamins and minerals that help support kidney health, and it does this in a really gentle, natural way. It's packed with vitamin K, vitamin C, and antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation in your body. Inflammation is something that can silently put stress on your kidneys over time. So adding anti-inflammatory foods like kale can really lighten the load on them. One of the best things about kale is how versatile it is. You can throw it into a fresh salad, saute it lightly with garlic and olive oil, or even blend it into a smoothie with some fruits to mask the bitterness. And the great part is that kale is low in potassium, which makes it kidney-friendly, especially if you're keeping an eye on potassium intake. This makes it a safe option to enjoy regularly without worrying about overloading your kidneys. Kale is also full of fiber. Now, fiber might not sound exciting, but it's actually a big deal for your kidneys. Fiber helps your digestive system run smoothly, and when your digestion is efficient, your kidneys don't have to work overtime to filter out toxins. So, including kale in your diet is like giving your kidneys a little vacation. They get a break because your body is processing nutrients efficiently. And here's a fun tip. If raw kale feels a bit tough for you, try massaging the leaves with a tiny bit of olive oil and a pinch of salt. It softens them, brings out a natural sweetness, and makes them much more enjoyable to eat. Even adding a sprinkle of lemon juice can brighten the flavor and make it something you actually look forward to eating every day. Consistency is key here. You don't have to eat huge amounts of kale to benefit your kidneys. Even a small handful regularly can make a difference over time. Think of it as planting tiny seeds of health that grow into real protection for your kidneys. Kale may not seem flashy, but it quietly works behind the scenes, helping reduce inflammation, supporting detoxification, and keeping your kidneys in better shape. So, next time you see kale at the market, don't skip it. Give it a try. Experiment with different ways to prepare it. And remember, this simple leafy green is a powerful ally for your kidney health, helping you feel stronger and more energetic every day. Number 3. Cherries. Let's talk about cherries. These little fruits might seem tiny, but they pack a serious punch when it comes to supporting your kidneys. Cherries are naturally rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which are the compounds that give them their vibrant red color. These antioxidants help fight inflammation in your body, and inflammation is one of the things that can quietly stress your kidneys over time. So by including cherries in your diet, you're giving your kidneys a gentle boost and helping them stay strong and efficient. One of the things I love about cherries is how easy they are to enjoy. You can eat them fresh, toss them into a smoothie, or even add them to a salad for a pop of natural sweetness. And for those days when fresh cherries aren't in season, frozen cherries work just as well. They retain most of their nutrients and give you that same antioxidant boost. It's a simple, delicious way to care for your kidneys without having to think too hard about it. Cherries also have a natural anti-inflammatory effect, which can help reduce uric acid levels in the body. High uric acid can be tough on your kidneys, so lowering it naturally with foods like cherries can really make a difference over time. It's not a quick fix, but it's a smart, sustainable approach to kidney health. And the best part? Cherries are low in sodium and calories, making them a safe, tasty snack that supports your kidneys without adding extra strain. Here's a little tip. If you're enjoying cherries as a snack, try pairing them with a handful of nuts or some Greek yogurt. This creates a balanced mini-meal that not only tastes amazing, but also helps your body absorb nutrients more effectively. It's all about combining kidney-friendly foods in ways that make your daily routine feel natural and enjoyable. And remember, consistency is more important than quantity. You don't have to eat a huge bowl of cherries every day. Even just a handful a few times a week can quietly support your kidney function and overall health. Think of it as a small but meaningful habit that adds up over time, protecting your kidneys and keeping your body feeling lighter and more energized. Cherries may seem simple, but they are truly a powerhouse for your kidneys. By adding them regularly to your diet, you're taking an active step toward reducing inflammation, supporting detoxification, and giving your kidneys the gentle care they deserve. It's a sweet, natural way to help your body feel its best every single day. Number 4. Bell peppers. Let's talk about bell peppers. These colorful vegetables are not just beautiful to look at, they're also fantastic for supporting your kidneys. Bell peppers, especially the red, yellow, and blueberries, and orange varieties, are packed with vitamins and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in your body. Inflammation is one of those silent stressors that can slowly affect kidney function over time, so eating foods that fight it naturally is a smart move. One of the best things about bell peppers is how versatile they are. You can eat them raw as a crunchy snack, slice them into salads, roast them in the oven, or sauté them lightly with olive oil and herbs. Cooking them gently actually brings out their natural sweetness while keeping most of the nutrients intact, making them not only delicious but also easy on your kidneys. Bell peppers are especially rich in vitamin C, which is great for your immune system and helps your body fight off oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can wear down your kidneys over time, so including vitamin C-rich foods like bell peppers helps give your kidneys a little extra protection. They're also low in potassium, which makes them ideal if you're keeping an eye on kidney-friendly foods. You can enjoy them regularly without worrying about overloading your system. Here's a tip. Try mixing bell peppers with other kidney-friendly vegetables to create a colorful stir-fry or roasted vegetable platter. Not only does it look amazing, but your body will also thank you for the variety of nutrients. Even just adding a few slices to your lunch or dinner can make a big difference in your overall nutrient intake and kidney support. And remember, small, consistent habits go a long way. You don't need to eat a mountain of bell peppers every day. Even a small portion regularly can help reduce inflammation, support detoxification, and give your kidneys a gentle boost. Bell peppers are simple, tasty, and quietly powerful, making them an easy addition to your routine for healthier kidneys and a stronger, more energized body. Number 5. Fish. Let's talk about fish. When it comes to kidney health, fish is one of those foods that quietly works behind the scenes to support your body. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are powerful anti-inflammatory nutrients. Chronic inflammation can put a lot of stress on your kidneys over time. So including omega-3 rich foods in your diet is a simple way to give your kidneys a break and help them function better. One of the great things about fish is that it's high in protein, but unlike some other protein sources, it's gentle on your kidneys. Eating the right amount of high-quality protein helps your body repair tissues and stay strong without overloading your kidneys. It's all about balance. You want enough protein to nourish your body, but not so much that your kidneys have to work overtime. Fish helps you strike that balance naturally. Fish is also incredibly versatile. You can grill it, bake it, steam it, or even add it to a salad. Lightly seasoning it with herbs, lemon, or a touch of olive oil makes it flavorful without adding ingredients that could stress your kidneys. For many people, making fish a regular part of their meals is easier than it sounds. Just aiming for 2 to 3 servings a week can provide all the benefits you need. Here's a little tip. If you're not used to eating fish often, start with milder options like tilapia or cod, and gradually work up to salmon or mackerel. Even canned fish, like sardines or salmon, can be a convenient and nutritious option. The key is consistency. Regularly including fish in your diet supports healthy inflammation levels, helps maintain kidney function, and contributes to overall heart and brain health as well. Remember, your kidneys are working hard for you every day. By including fish in your meals, you're giving them nutrients that help reduce stress, support repair, and keep your body functioning smoothly. It's a simple, delicious way to take care of your kidneys while enjoying meals that are satisfying and nourishing. Small, consistent choices like this make a big difference over time. Number 6. Pumpkin. Let's talk about pumpkin. I know, when most people think of pumpkin, they think of pies or Halloween decorations. But this bright, nutrient-packed vegetable is actually amazing for supporting your kidneys. Pumpkin is full of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help reduce inflammation in the body, which is key for healthy kidney function. Inflammation can quietly put stress on your kidneys over time, so including anti-inflammatory foods like pumpkin is a simple, natural way to help your kidneys work more efficiently. One of the best things about pumpkin is how versatile it is. You can roast it, steam it, make soups, or even blend it into smoothies. The natural sweetness makes it enjoyable to eat without needing to add sugar or unhealthy ingredients, and it's very gentle on your kidneys. Because pumpkin is low in potassium compared to some other vegetables, it's especially safe for regular consumption if you're aiming to protect your kidney health. Pumpkin is also rich in fiber, which is important for your digestive system. Good digestion means your body processes nutrients more efficiently, which reduces the workload on your kidneys. It's a small but powerful way to support your body. And the antioxidants in pumpkin, including beta-carotene, help neutralize free radicals, which not only protects your kidneys, but also supports your overall immune system. Here's a tip. Try roasting pumpkin cubes with a touch of olive oil and your favorite herbs, like rosemary or thyme. It brings out a warm, comforting flavor that feels like a treat, but is actually nourishing your kidneys. You can even add pumpkin to stews or mix it with other kidney-friendly vegetables for a colorful, nutrient-packed meal. Remember, small, consistent steps matter more than occasional big efforts. Even adding a small serving of pumpkin a few times a week can support kidney health over time. It's not a miracle cure, but it's a simple, natural, and delicious way to help your kidneys stay strong, reduce inflammation, and keep your body feeling lighter and more energized. Pumpkin truly is a quiet powerhouse for your kidney health. Summary. So, to wrap things up, the foods we talked about today aren't just everyday ingredients. They're powerful allies for your kidneys. From carrots to sweet potatoes, each one provides nutrients, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory benefits that can help your kidneys function better, reduce stress on your body, and support your overall health. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about small, consistent choices that add up over time. If you start including even a few of these foods regularly, you're giving your kidneys the care they deserve and helping your body feel more energized and balanced. Your kidneys work hard for you every single day, and now it's your turn to support them in a simple, delicious way. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on natural, science-backed ways to take care of your health. And I'd love to hear from you. What kidney-friendly food are you most excited to try? Drop it in the comments below.